Have you ever looked at a fish swimming peacefully in an aquarium or a pond and wondered, how do they breathe down there? I mean, they don't have lungs, they don't come up for air like dolphins, yet they live their entire lives underwater without drowning. It almost feels like magic, but it's really science, and it's pretty fascinating. Let's take a dive into their world. Unlike humans who breathe air through lungs, fish use a special organ called gills. Gills are like tiny filters that are super good at pulling oxygen out of water. When a fish opens its mouth, water flows in and passes over the gills, which are located on the sides of its head. Inside the gills are thin layers of tissue filled with tiny blood vessels. As water flows over these tissues, oxygen from the water moves into the fish's blood, and at the same time, carbon dioxide moves out. It's like an underwater version of what happens in our lungs. But there's something even cooler. Water actually holds less oxygen than air, so fish need to be really efficient at getting that oxygen. That's why you often see them constantly opening and closing their mouths. They're not yawning or talking. They're keeping the water flowing over their gills to keep breathing. Some fish, like sharks, need to keep swimming all the time to push water over their gills. If they stop moving, they can't breathe properly. Other fish, like goldfish or bettas, can pump water through their mouths even while staying still, which is super useful if you're just chilling at the bottom of a tank or hiding from predators. Now here's a fun twist. Not all fish rely only on gills. Some, like lungfish, actually have a lung-like organ and can breathe air when needed. They've adapted to live in places where water levels go up and down, and sometimes there's barely any oxygen in the water at all. Nature always finds a way, right? So the next time you watch a fish swimming calmly in a tank, remember, beneath those shiny scales is an incredible breathing system working nonstop, helping that fish stay alive in a world where we humans couldn't last even a few minutes. Isn't that just amazing?